This graph tracks $1 spent on programmatic advertising. After the supply chain, only 36 cents reaches a human consumer. The missing 64 cents disappears into two areas, 29 cents to tech fees, and 35 cents to invalid traffic and made-for-advertising sites. To recover this capital, we've developed a 4-step audit plan. It is designed for immediate execution without requiring a background in software engineering. This process requires only your high-level reports and executive authority. We are treating this strictly as a capital recovery exercise, rather than a critique of your marketing strategy. Step 1 addresses the primary bottleneck. Agencies often hide capital leakage behind aggregated dashboards, refusing to provide log-level data needed for a detailed audit. Bypass this gatekeeper by hiring an independent zero-trust auditor. This proxy accesses data directly, removing the agency from the loop. Under a shared savings model, this auditor requires no upfront budget, taking only a percentage of the specific waste they recapture. This aligns the auditor's financial success with the elimination of fraudulent routing, creating an incentive structure focused entirely on your recovery. Step 2 moves the audit from cloud software to the physical server rack, creating a secure record of activity independent of the agency's software reporting. This hardware appliance intercepts your outbound marketing bid requests at the packet level as they happen. Using localized algorithmic filtration, the hardware flags inefficient or fraudulent routing before a bid is executed. The result is cryptographic proof of supply path optimization. This status report goes directly to your leadership, verified by your own internal systems. Placing the audit on physical hardware ensures the data cannot be altered or obscured by the intermediaries it is meant to monitor. Step 3 targets inventory fragmentation. The average programmatic campaign scatters budget across 44,000 domains. A significant portion are made for advertising sites, clickbait vehicles existing only to host ads. By mandating strict exclusion lists, you can immediately blacklist these domains and stop the outflow of capital. This also addresses a hidden environmental cost. Because of constant auto-refreshing, MFA sites emit roughly 52% more carbon than trusted news outlets. Implementing these exclusion lists allows you to reclaim your budget while simultaneously hitting corporate sustainability targets. Maintaining digital hygiene satisfies the CFO's requirement for efficiency and the board's mandate for reduced emissions. Step 4 addresses targeting flaws. Buying ads based on static titles wastes spend on people who fit a profile but aren't actively looking for solutions. Signal-based targeting uses AI to map real-time behavioral signals like content consumption and search activity. Under this audited system, the platform only bids when a target emits active buying signals. If those signals are absent, the bid is rejected. With the supply path optimized and intent mapped, capital previously lost to bots is redirected toward audiences currently researching your category. These 4 steps transform the programmatic supply chain into a transparent system where every dollar is tracked and verified against buyer intent. You have bypassed uncooperative gatekeepers, established hardware-level verification, and removed low-value inventory. Present this audit plan to your CFO. By using a shared savings model, you can recapture wasted spend and reinvest it into proven growth drivers. Technology should serve to restore operational capability. It should never be used to hide waste.